Hey, hey, it's Berta J. Come with me in my kitchen today. That's what I want you to do. We're going to do something really, really simple. This is the start of my Thanksgiving meal. These are the things that I'm going to put together and I'm going to have ready for me. I don't know, maybe my family might eat some of it too. But this is the beginning. This is the first in the series of Thanksgiving 2018. Okay? It's going to be spinach with pine nuts and garlic. A very, very simple recipe. The first thing you have to do is you have to get a non-stick pan would be perfect, but I don't own one. So I'm using a cast iron pan that I've sprayed just a tad, just like psst, like that, and then wiped it around of a cooking spray. And I used olive oil. Then what you're going to do with that is you're going to put in 2 tablespoons of pine nut. And you're going to put it in, and then you're going to cook it so that it toasts. And you're going to know it's toasted because as it cooks, it'll brown. You'll see it browning. And you can take a spoon and just keep stirring it up. That takes a few minutes. Once that's done, you're going to then add 2 tablespoons of garlic, chopped garlic. And then once those two tastes have married, takes about, I guess, another minute, you're going to put in 4 cups of, I use baby spinach. You can use the full leaf spinach. I don't think this would taste very good with frozen spinach. So use the fresh spinach and use 4 cups. Keep packing it down in your cup because your spinach is like most greens. It'll melt down to next to nothing. But there'll be something there for you to eat. And then when it's all done, you bring it out and you put on a few turns of your black pepper and about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, if you want to. And that's what we're going to do today. Just keep in mind, don't cook it any higher than like a medium heat. Then when it starts, you'll see it. As it starts to wilt, then turn it down a little bit. And this is what it'll end up looking like. Wilted with the pine nuts all through it and the garlic. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take that little bit of salt and sift it on that. Instead of 1/4 of a teaspoon, I'm going to do maybe a little bit less than that. And then you're going to do like 6 turns of your pepper mill. And then stir that up all through. Now I didn't measure this, but 4 cups looks to be about 1 cup when you're all done. And a little garlic too. You can see it in there. Very delicious, and you get a little crunch along with the real softness of those with the spinach, and then you get that pop of garlic. It's very, very tasty. So this is the first thing. This is one of your vegetables because we'll have 2 in my Thanksgiving meal, and I hope you'll give it a try and have it for Thanksgiving, or just have it anytime that you would like. All right, so until next time, bye for now.